Hey everyone, I'm Brian. Today on Write with Ink, we are going to design a tribute for Lee Chong Wei and Lin Dan. This tribute is specifically for this duo, because of their rivalry and their sportsmanship that they displayed so far. And also Lin Dan just retired recently. A little background on them. Lee Chong Wei and Lin Dan are, we can say, frenemies in the badminton world. They are one of the best duos, rivals that you can see throughout badminton history. Personally, I'm not a big fan of badminton. I only know that the shuttlecock must not hit the floor during the game. That's all I know about badminton. However, whenever the duo clash, I will watch them lah. They radiate a very good sportsmanship and really good rivalry. They display really good skills and superb style in their badminton. They are like the Ronaldo and Messi of football. I really like them. Okay, once we get the basics done, I get the feel of how to design the tribute. Now we can focus on what we are going to write today, which is Lee Chong Wei's Chinese name, Li Zhongwei. Lin Dan's Chinese name, Lin Dan, and badminton's Chinese form, which is Yu Mao Qiu. I'm going to put all this together. Probably I will put 1 or 2 posters up at the end of the video, but I will just design the words that I mentioned just now. Now, for the most favorite part of the show, which is tearing papers. So this one is quite good. I like the style, but I will do one more iteration because here you can notice that the words are conjoined already. You can see here the words are conjoined. So I want to do one more iteration. Why do I want to use a big paper for his name? Because his name has 3 syllables. Yeah, so we'll try one more. This one, I got it right this time. The reason that I'm not using the old-fashioned word for his name because his old-fashioned word is not that nice. I don't like the font. This one is quite good. I like the style. Actually, I made one mistake when I was writing, but it turned out quite good, the mistake. So hopefully I will do one more iteration of this one. This is the other iteration of the Lin Dan. It's only fair that I give it another try, right? Because Lee Chong Wei, I've done it like a few times, but no success. So yeah, it's okay. The version is okay, but I prefer the first iteration. That's why I said it's a one try. Okay, for this one, I quite like both the iterations, so it's another one take. The style I modified slightly, but yeah, I like the style. Okay, so we are done with everything. Just a quick view. Turn around. Yes. Okay, since this time is a bigger production, so I expanded my place. And yeah, we'll look at each of these individually. Yeah. So the first one, this one is a small font. This one I like it a lot. Okay, because it looks nice. Yeah, it looks nice. So not much comment about this. I really like both of this. Okay, so back to this. These are my failed pieces. Not very proud of them. They are failed. Okay, so now we go to Lee Chong Wei's name. Yeah. So these two are the iterations. The first one, as I said, this one is a conjoined, so it's not that pretty. But the next one, I nailed it. I managed to move it down a bit, so it looks better. Okay, and Lin Dan. Now Lin Dan. Okay, so Lin Dan, I attempted two forms. One is this, one is this. Okay. To be honest, the second try is not that great. I like the first try better. Okay, it's up to personal taste. So the last three iterations, the inspiration for this piece is actually the rivalry between both of them. Okay, so every time we call them, mostly I hear it's the Li Ling. Okay, Li Ling rivalry. Okay, so I just add a G in the middle. Okay, because this word here can also mean, okay, it's a multiple meaning word, which is also can mean N. Yeah, from the pronunciation, not the word. Yeah, just the pronunciation. Okay, so this one I think is not that good. I failed this. Okay, so we just focus on both of this. Yeah, so personally, both have their specialty. Okay, both also both are quite good. Yeah, but personally, again, this comes down to personal taste. Based on the piece, I think I will give this my signature. Okay, I'll give this my signature. Okay. Oh, I have my chalk. Yeah, so in my previous writings, I did not put my chalk. Yeah, I need to find my chalk. I got it back from the uni, so yeah, it's my chalk. It's 10 years old. Yeah, both of these are 10 years old. So I need to take really good care of it. Okay, open this. Although it's quite old, but it's still usable. Yeah. Now this is my chalk. It's like your signature. Yeah, this is 10 years. 10 years. Okay, so chop. Okay, make sure it's well inked. And let me try one. Okay. Okay, so we chop here. Okay, normally you chop right below, but since this is the maximum size of the art, so I put it here. Okay, we're done. So this is my final work, which is what I like. So thank you so much for watching. Like and share this video, and comment down below who you support more. Is it Lee Chong Wei or is it Lin Dan? Once again, thank you so much for watching. I really have fun doing this. This is something different from what I always do, and see you in the next video. Hey guys, this is from post-production, and I just want to say that I have some of the stuff on my Instagram.
You can see in the link below. Okay, I've linked it, and there are some different type of art that you can see.